Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication and we solve square roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now first step, division. First identify and solve the division within the expression. So we can identify 9 divided by 9 equals to 1. So after that equation becomes 9 plus 9 multiplied by 9 minus 1 multiplied by 9. So according to this step 1, the BODMAS hierarchy, division is prioritized over addition, subtraction and multiplication. So when it appears first from the left. Now the second step says multiplication. Next perform the multiplication operation from left to right, as you can see here. So next we perform first 9 into 9 is equal to 81 and the second one is 1 into 9 equals to 9. So now the expression becomes 9 plus 81 minus 9. According to this step, multiplication follows the division in the priority sequence. We simplify all the product terms before moving to sum or difference. Now, step 3, addition. Next we perform the addition part. So first we add the digits. 9 plus 81 equals to 90. So now the expression becomes 90 minus 9. According to the addition is typically handled before subtraction to maintain a clear sequence through they are share the same priority level. So now the fourth step, subtraction. Now we subtract the digits. 90 minus 9 equals to 81 and 81 is the final answer, and this is the final operation left to reach the simplest form of the expression. Final result of this expression is 81. By strictly following the BODMAS rule, we ensure that the mathematical operations are performed in the correct logical sequence, leading to the accurate value. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.